Everybody just look at the camera and chew your bread.
For this week's Sourdough Sidekick update, we've got a little surprise for you. You know that feeling when you've made an awesome loaf of bread and you get to share it with somebody and then you're like, oh, I made this. Oh, this is exactly how we feel with the Sourdough Sidekick. We are on track to start delivering to backers at the end of March. We've already sent out the first address confirmation email, and if you haven't replied, we'll follow up with you, don't worry. And now we get to see the very first unit. We're gonna do an unboxing, and I can't wait to show you. It's so cool. The first thing I noticed when I saw this was, look how cute it is. It's so much smaller than I was even thinking. And I even helped design the packaging. But anyway, seeing it in person is pretty cool. So this is the box that will be shipped to you, and the really pretty box is on the inside. So let's take a look. I mean, come on. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so the last time we talked about the packaging, it looked something like this. I mean, this is a pretty janky prototype, but it got us in the general direction. But now we've got the final pack, and it looks gorgeous. All right, let's take a look on the inside. We've got our quick start guide that shows what each of the parts are and gives you just an overview of what to do first. Use and care, which you're all gonna read cover to cover. A 20% off coupon with a special discount code for orders over $50, which is pretty awesome. This is the metal lid for the crock. The reason we included this is because if you are going on a longer trip or you really just want to put the starter away for a little bit, this helps you be able to use the crock and just stick it in the fridge. Power supply. Whoa. The crock with the lid assembly and the paddle. Flour hopper. All the stuff assembled. Final actual Sourdough Sidekick. This is so exciting. Now, if I were gonna be using this instead of just displaying it, the first thing I would do is wash all the components and then install it. I'm gonna try and do this backwards here, or from behind, but installing the flour hopper, installing the crock. Water tank is already on the unit, but I'd fill that up. I'd put my flour in. So the first thing you're gonna do when you plug it in is to calibrate the flour in the water. This does not take long. It does require a kitchen scale, so make sure if you don't have one, make sure to plan to grab one before your Sidekick arrives. Or you could use that 20% off from King Arthur and buy one there. Now that we've had a look at the very first unit, let's go talk to our very first backer. Backer number one.
Hi, my name is Adam, and my dad was the first backer of the Sourdough Sidekick.
So your dad was the backer, but you're the baker?
That is correct. Yeah, I started baking probably about 5 years ago. It was kind of one of those COVID things where let's pick something up and see what I can learn. And I was completely intimidated by bread. Starting off with that, I had no idea how that would work. So I kind of started with pasta. I was like, wow, this is really cool. Let's move into bread. Let's see how that goes. And I got so hooked on making bread at home.
So do you know which mode you're going to use most often?
For me, I want to just play around with it. I think for me, I might do auto mode, the very first one, just to kind of get used to it and see how it goes for a week. But then from there, I'll probably play around with different ratios. Currently, I do like a 4-to-1, so I'm just going to kind of see how that goes and play around with it. But I think that this is going to allow me to bake bread more often because currently I'm just kind of feeding it and sticking it in the fridge right now where I've been busy. So I think having this kind of out on the counter where I see it going more, I think I'm going to be doing a lot more baking.
Now, I know what you're thinking. If we have this one here, why don't you have yours yet? Well, this is just a handful that we got a little bit early, first off of the manufacturing line. And we are on track to begin deliveries late March. So you will get yours, don't worry. And we're going to ship in order of purchase. So Adam, he's gonna get his first. And then everybody else, all 5,000 of you, will come after that. If you did not back during the crowdfund, I am so sorry, but you're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer. But don't worry, we will let you know when they're available for sale after we deliver to all of our backers. Just because we've made it this far doesn't mean that our work is over yet. In fact, you saw Josh working on the band. We're also trying to think of other accessories. What do you think we should add for the Sourdough Sidekick experience? So drop those ideas in the comments below. Check out our Facebook group, make sure you join it there. We'll see you next time.